Hey everyone, it's Louisa here, and today's vlog is all about appreciating the beauty of the world. After a relaxing holiday, I've decided to shift the focus of my channel to showcasing the wonders of nature. I'm so excited to share this incredible experience with you. Don't worry guys, I'll keep you updated the adventures I have along the way. Let's go! To get to Aringay, the place I'm going to, I need to take a tricycle to Dimsu first, then I'll catch a bus from there to Aringay. Once I was on the bus, I felt so happy because I was not just coming home for our school performance task. I really miss my mom, my dad, and my niece, who were all at home. Even though it was not that long since I last visited, it felt like I hadn't been home for a year. After an hour on the bus, I reached Aringay. Before heading home on motorcycle, I stopped at the church. After 20 minutes, I finished praying, and right on time, my sibling arrived. We were going home together, so we hopped on motorcycle and headed back. After a 30 minutes motorcycle ride home, we finally arrived at our place. As we walked towards home, we passed my old elementary school, a place brimming with memories and joy. And we continued walking. By the way, as you can see, I'm wearing different clothes because when I was getting ready, I got splashed with water when I took a drink. After 30 minutes, we were almost home. And finally, we were home. Travel can be tiring, but it's always worth it when you get to see the people you love. Thank you, God, for a safe journey. When we got home, Mom had a delicious meal waiting for us. So, let's eat. And that's the end of my vlog. Thank you for watching.